Good morning. This is Madanachari, contact lecturer working at GPW Jogipet. Today's topic is Unit 1 Speaking Skills. The topic name is expressing likes and dislikes. Topic name is likes and dislikes. Then what we are going to learn from this topic, okay, we are going to observe, by learning this lesson what we are going to learn, okay, we will see likes and dislikes of you, likes and dislikes of others. Okay, here we are going to know about our likes and dislikes as well as likes and dislikes of your friends or family members or the people who are surrounding you. Here we have information about likes and dislike. What we are going to what we are going to know in this topic. Here we have an information, we are going to read it. We are different in many ways. Out of them all, one major area is an account of our likes and dislikes. The difference exists owing to our family background, our company of your friends, and climatic conditions. Our likes and dislikes, however, give us an insight into our inner self. They are the sum and substance of our character, temperament, and dispositions. Means here likes and dislikes depends on our conditions or our family backgrounds or to whom we are maintaining friendship or some other different kinds of situations decides our likes and dislikes. Means for example, the person who is in poverty, the person likes about his necessary needs. Why? Because if he has that kind of needs, they can exist. Other the person as well as the person who is rich, he expects or he likes according to his wishes. Why? Because he is already rich, so that according to his position he is going to expect his likes and dislikes. Okay, expressing likes and likes. Here we are going to observe a few likes of ourselves. Here we are going to express likes and why. Means here we are going to know I am going to like this. Means for example, I like sweet. Why do you like that sweet? Why do you like that sweet? I like games. Why do you like this? Okay, here in this topic we are going to express our likes as well as why we are going to like this. Okay, we are going to express this kind of sentences in this topics. For example, here we have some examples. I like my father because he is very supportive to me in my life in all aspects. Okay, here in the first sentence, here we are going to express our like. Here we are going to express our like as well as we are going to give the reason also. Why do you like your father? Why do you like your father? Okay, here you are going to express your likes. What it is? I like my father. Okay, I am going to like my father. Everyone are like their parents. But here we are going to specially mention our like. I like my father. Okay, then somebody asks, why do you like your father? At that time, we have to express the reason also. Why do you like your father? I like my father because he is very supportive. Because he is very supportive. Supportive means he always encourages. When you are in the problem, he consoles you. When you have an when you are in needy, at the time he maybe help you. Okay, in all aspects he is going to support you, so that you are going to like your father. Okay, then second sentence, I like yoga because it makes me peaceful. Okay, means why do you like yoga? Why you like yoga? Means here I like yoga. Then why? Okay, while I am doing the yoga, by the yoga I am going to get the peaceful condition. So that means by doing the yoga you are going to make yourself as a peace. So that I like yoga. Okay. Then third sentence, I like leafy vegetables because they provides me strength. Okay, I I like leafy vegetables. Why do you like that kind of vegetables? Means by eating that kind of vegetables, I am going to get the strength. So that I like the vegetables. Means some of the people may be like the non-vegetarian. Why? Because by eating the non-veg, they are going to get the strength. Okay, means based on the situation, vegetarians may be like the leafy vegetables, non-vegetarians may be like the meat or fish, some kind, whatever it may be, whatever it may be, according to their wishes. So that whatever it by I am going to, I like this vessel. So why? Because I am going to get the strength. Okay. Then in fourth sentence, I like my village because it is very peaceful. Okay, everyone wants to be peaceful. So that okay, nowadays we are going to observe the situations. The villages are very peaceful comparing with the cities. Why? Because there is a number of pollutions, maybe water, maybe air, so that we are getting the different kinds of pollutions. By these pollutions we are going to get the different kind of diseases also. So that if we spend our life in the village, it may be peaceful. So that I like a village because it's very peaceful. Okay. And then in fifth sentence, I like my friends because I like my friend because he is helpful. Okay, means everyone should like their best friends. Why? Because they are always be supportive, or they are always be helpful to you in any aspect. It may be a dangerous situation, or it may not be danger. They always accompany with you, so that you like your friends. Okay, I like my friend because he is very helpful. Okay, whether it may be in classes, or whether it may be in games, whether it may be in different kinds of situations, he is very helpful to you, so that you are going to like your friend. Next sentence, I like my brother because he is very function okay sorry punctual. Okay, I like my brother because he is very punctual. Punctuality is very essential to everyone. Why? Because if we are the punctual, we can do anything in the right time. So that punctual is very important. So I like my brother. Why? Because he always very punctual. Next sentence, I like biryani because it is very spicy. Means everyone likes the biryani, so that I also like the biryani. Why? Because it is very spicy, or it may be very tasty, it smells good, it should be it always be attractive to eat, so that I like biryani. Then in next sentence, I like fruits because they provide different vitamins or vitamins. Okay, nowadays we are calling it as vitamins. Okay, I like fruits because they provide different vitamins. Okay, this is the known fact. Why? Because by eating the fruits we are going to get the vitamins also. Means so they provides strength to our body. If we are having the strength, we can do anything easily without having any trouble or pain. Okay, so that I suggest you everyone should eat the fruits also. Why? Because they provide the strength to you. Next sentence, I like English because it is window to the world. Okay, it is a known fact. Why? Because if we know the English properly, automatically we can understand everything what we are going to observe, or what we are going to see. For example, even if you want to fill an application form to apply for a job, the applications are in English. If you are unaware of English, you cannot do anything. So that even if everyone wants to send their children to the schools, so that I like English. If I know the English, I can see the world. So that I like English because it is window to the world. In the last sentence, I like Mother Teresa because she is kind-hearted. Okay, it is known to everyone. Why? Because she helped to the poor people, he helped the ill people, the people who are suffering with different kinds of health problems. Okay, without having any trouble, she had been helped to the deceased people, so that she is very kind hearted. Okay, if we observe all these sentences, what we have finished in these sentences, we have discussed about our likes and why you are going to like these. Okay, this is about the likes and likes.